Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve these finger coils using the TGIN Curls N Roses collection. Now I did use this collection in its entirety, but I separated the videos, so I'm going to put the link to my wash day right here, which features the TGIN Curls N Roses shampoo, leave-in conditioner, and hair mask. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I use the styling gel and the mousse to achieve these beautiful coils. But before we jump into it, if you are new, welcome. My name is Rakia, but you can definitely call me Loki. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, guys. I hope that you stick this video all the way through to the end, and make sure to give it a huge thumbs up if you like it. And without me further talking, let's just jump right into this video. What I have with me now is the Rose Water Curl Defining Styling Gel. And the other styling product that it came with is the Rose Water Curl Defining Mousse. So these are pretty much the only two styling products that came in the collection. I'm not going to be trying these products. I'm super excited to try this gel and this mousse. I have actually never tried any other styling products. Well, that's not true. I tried the hair butter, which I absolutely love, but in terms of gel and mousse, this is my first time trying these products out, so I am going to be doing a style today. So this is my hair freshly washed after using the shampoo, the conditioner, and the deep conditioner. My hair is really soft. I love, you know, the way it looks and the way it feels. So it's really clean, feels really nice and light and fluffy, and I'm just really excited to style my hair and just, you know, see how this style really turns out. So this is what the part is looking like. I don't know if you can actually really see it, but this is what the part is looking like. I haven't done coils in a really long time, but I do know coils like really require your hair to be wet. So I'm not going to be doing the coils small. Comb through. I'm taking the gel. Just this. That's pretty much what it's looking like. So the gel is kind of thick. Not kind of. The gel is actually really thick. So I'm gonna rub it down on my hair. And let's coil it. Let's see. Like I said, I haven't done coils in so long, and my hair is so much longer since the last time I did it, so okay, so I'm gonna try one more, and then I'll really know how I feel about doing coils with these products. So this mousse is actually really moisturizing. The gel is actually a good feeling too, but just maybe not for like to use alone for coils. But the mousse is actually pretty good. Feels really good. I actually really like this mousse. so I have several coils in. So far I'm noticing it's honestly really not bad, and it's honestly really pretty. Like I said, the gel is actually, I love the texture of the gel. I love the way it feels. Like, I'm sure that if I were to do like a sleek pony, my hair in one, or like any other style that required like a little bit of holding, this gel would definitely do that. We're gonna put it to the test when we sleek the front up in one. What I love is that I'm not using any water. So as you can see, my hair is drying up, and I'm not going in with any water to actually dampen the hair and further moisturize it. I'm just going in with the gel and the mousse. So one of them is giving like a sticky, tacky feeling, and I can't really tell because I'm using them together. Together, they actually pair really well when it comes to the coils. Like I said, the coils are coming out super, super, super cute. My hair is still wet, so I'm excited to see how it's gonna look when it's actually dried and when I actually unravel them. So I'm just gonna go and do the rest of this, the rest of the back of my hair off of camera, so I can actually look in the mirror and see what's like, you know, really, really, really going on. So these are the coils. I think they're coming out really, really, really good. I think that once they dry, they're gonna be so cute. So I'm gonna do about 3 full pumps. So I'm gonna take that and I'm going to rub that all over my hair in the front up before I go in with the mousse, because I just kind of want to like smooth it out first and then go in with the mousse. Don't see me keep turning. It's not me. It's my chair. Okay guys, so my hair is slicked up in the half up. So this is pretty much what it's looking like. Again, I'm only using the TGIN products, and I want to make sure that I mention that because I know sometimes you feel like when people walk off the camera they do something different, but I really didn't. I used just the gel and the mousse. Like I said, I knew this gel would give a really good hold because I think it's the gel that's the tackiest out of the 2 products. And because it's thick, I knew that it would give me like a really good hold, and then the mousse just goes in and moisturizes it. And the shine that you see is really more so from the gel, but the softness that you feel is really more so from the mousse. So they do pair really, really, really well together. Now I'm just going to be putting my scarf around my hair that's slicked up. Let's start coiling. Again, I didn't go in and re-wet my hair. I'm not adding any additional water. I'm just going with my hair the way it is in this dry state. So as I was doing my other coils, I realized that it is kind of easier for me to kind of detangle my hair a bit with the mousse. The mousse is really moisturizing, so I'm going to do like 2 pumps, and then I'm going to smooth it out. So now we're going to go in with the gel, and for each coil I do, or for like each section, I just do 2 pumps of the gel. And the key to getting like really good coils is just making sure that the hair is properly detangled. Then I'm going to go back in with the mousse, and I'm going to do 3 pumps. So I coiled this way, and I tend to hold it as I wrap it because I want to have control of the coil, and I want to further like just twist it back to keep it in place. So this is why I hold it when I'm coiling. Okay guys, so I went ahead and tightened up the top part of my hair. And so yeah, these are what my coils are looking like after leaving them in for a day and a half to air dry. So let me just give you a spin. So now what we're going to do is we are going to unravel these coils. We're going to take our time and coil them out. So now what you need for this part is pretty much just any oil that you could find. You want to make sure your hands are oily so that when you're coiling, you don't cause any, your hands aren't dry to cause any friction, which will then cause frizz for your coils. So what I do is I just rub the oil all over my hands like this. So yeah, I'm just unraveling and I'm trying to take my time because this, normally when I'm unraveling, I tend to like do this and then I grab from the top. Unraveling a coil could be pretty tricky because you could mess up the whole coil pattern. So normally what I do is I just gently coil it back once I pulled out a piece. You don't want to be rough with it. You definitely want to take your time when you do this part here. Like I said, it could be tricky. You don't want to cause so much friction that you start to cause frizz with your hair. So this is the finished look, guys. We did finger coils. This is really cute, and this is a really cute style if you don't want to have finger coils like all the way down, drenching over your face. I know with me, because my hair is so long, I don't want to have, right now I just don't feel like wearing coils all the way down. But I probably will try it. But this is so cute. My coils are super light and super fluffy, and I'm just really happy with my results. I'm happy with the products that I used. I wasn't sure how it was going to come out because, like I said, I've never used a gel or a mousse to do my finger coils. These products absolutely amazing from start to finish. My wash day using the shampoo, conditioner, and the hair mask, and then now styling with the gel and the mousse, just absolutely amazing. Really good for low porosity hair, like I mentioned. So if you're someone with low porosity hair like me, this line is really good. This line really adds a lot of moisture to your hair, especially on wash day. You will see that moisture coming in when you use the leave-in conditioner and when you use the hair mask. And I do want to mention that TGIN is having a 50% off sale with Ulta Beauty on October 18th. You literally don't want to miss that. 50% off is super huge. That's a really good deal, and you can get all these products that I've used and more for 50% off. These are definitely going to be products that I go to and products that I use for any cute style that I'm trying to achieve. And so now I just want to give you guys a cute spin around of my coils because They're just so cute and I really like it. So let's just see. So this is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and sticking all the way through. I am trying to bring you more styling videos and more wash day videos, just more videos in general. So I do hope that you stick around. I do hope that you enjoyed this content. If you decide to give the finger coils a try using the products, definitely let me know. You can tag me in your post and I'll repost you on my Instagram. So be sure to follow me at lowkey. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends, guys, and I'll see you in the next upload. Bye.